Reon Energy, an expert in intelligent renewable microgrids, is enabling premium textile mills, a leader in top-quality yarn manufacturing, power their operations with clean renewable energy. In partnership with Premium Textile, we've installed a 4-megawatt solar power system, reducing their dependency on the grid, boosting operational efficiency, and cutting their overall carbon footprint. A key milestone in our collaboration, the signing ceremony marked the official agreement between Reon Energy and Premium Textile Mills, highlighting our shared commitment to sustainability and clean energy solutions. The deployment is estimated to generate 6,853 megawatt-hours of annual energy while reducing the carbon emissions by 3,426.5 tons.
Along with our expertise in clean tech, we adhere to strict health, safety, and environment regulations to monitor the plant at every step. From the first panel deployment to completion, our priority remains the safety of our staff and site. Regular training and constant site monitoring ensures smooth operations and a safe working environment. No matter the scale of the project, Reon Energy is proudly empowering some of the largest industries of Pakistan with renewable energy alternatives and innovative solutions to combat energy challenges along the way.